Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina and today I'm going to introduce you to my new book. It's called Beginner 100 Chinese Words and I'm going to show you a sneak preview of my first two chapters using the drip method. Okay, so this is my son Chris.
你好
So he's going to be my little helper today and I'm going to read the first chapter to him, and you can also go on to my website dripchinese.com under free materials to listen to the audio recording. Okay, let's read. Chapter 1, 大名. Using the drip method, which stands for discover, remember, implement, and pride, we're going to first discover the 11 new words in this chapter. So they are 我是大名小男孩有一个妹妹。我是大名，我是小孩，我是小男孩。我有一个妹妹。Next, we're going to go to the remember stage. So I'm going to put the word strips up on the fridge and repeat with Chris daily for a week. And next one is the implement stage, where I will use the below two sentence structure to help him understand how to use the words that we have discovered for this week. So there is 我是. So he can say 我是 Chris, 我是小男孩. And the second sentence structure is 我有. So he can say 我有一个弟弟. That means I have a younger brother. Or he can say 我有一粒球. That means I have a ball. And the next one is the pride stage, where I will give him a weekly reward for recognizing the 11 words. Okay, now that we've finished reading the first chapter, I'm going to the back of the book here and I'm going to cut out the word strips and put it over here on the fridge, and I'm going to review it with Chris every day for a week so he can have the time to memorize the new words. Okay, Chris, can you please read the word strips for me?
OK 我是大名我是小男孩我有一个妹妹
真棒! If you go to my website dripchinese.com under free materials, you will find the flashcards for this week, and here you see on the right hand corner there is the number 1. That means it's chapter 1 new words. Okay, so after reading for a week, Chris got all the 11 words down, and I'm giving him a little sticker as a reward for getting those words down, and we're going to move on to chapter 2. Chapter 2, 大名一家. In this chapter, we're going to discover 9 new words. There are 爸爸、妈妈、人、女和这门的家。我是大名，我是小孩。我有一个爸爸，爸爸是男人。我有一个妈妈，妈妈是女人。我有一个妹妹，妹妹是小女孩。我和妹妹是小孩。这是我们的家。我们是一家人。Did you notice that you recognize some of these words from the previous chapter? Like 我是一. Yes, so that's the beauty of this book. The stories are built on previous words that you have already learned. Okay, so now I'm going to flip the word strips over to chapter 2 and leave it on the fridge where it's visible. And I'll get Chris to read this every day for a week. So Chris, can you read this please?
OK，爸爸是男人，妈妈是女人，我和妹妹是小孩，这是我们的家，这是我们的家人。
Okay, so do you notice that this sentence is different from the one in the chapter? 这是我的家人，我们是一家人。So this is on purpose. I did this on purpose is to help to expose you to the different sentence variation using the same words. Okay, so this is the end of my book preview, and in my website under additional resources you can also find other free videos that goes with each chapter that will help you to build up your vocabulary. If you like this, please share it and go to Amazon and buy the book right now. Thank you.